This video. I'm your Karthik Kate and this is Kate Tutorials. Right. So the next 2022 exam, that is the NISER, National Institute of Science Education and Research, that is NISER Bhubaneswar, has published a notification for the National Entrance Screening Test, that is NEST 2022. Right. So you may think that what is this NEST? NEST is a screening test, National Entrance Screening Test, which is compulsory online computer based test for admission to the 5 years integrated MSc programs. Right. Integrated MSc means you will get both a degree as well as master degree. Right. So such we call it as integrated MSc programs in the field like biology, chemistry, mathematics, physics at National Institute of Science Education and Research, that is NISER Bhubaneswar, and University of Mumbai. Right. Which falls under University of Mumbai Department of Atomic Energy Center for Excellence in Basic Science. Right. So this is the test for pursuing our masters in basic science. So what are the qualifications required? Candidate should possess 12th class examination in the year 2020 or 21, or should be appearing for the same in 2022. Right. Only those who are passed in 20 or 21 or those who are writing in 2022 can apply for this NEST exam. Right. So age limit. General and OBC category candidates born on or after, they can be born on or after the date, that is 1/2002. Right. They can apply for this NEST exam. Right. So for more information I'll give the links, there you can follow them. Right. So application fees, talking about application fees, for general and OBC it is 1200 rupees, SC ST Divyanjan and females it is rupees 600. Payment mode, you can pay through credit card, debit card, net banking. All these three options are there. And talking about debit card, you can pay only through MasterCard, Visa and RuPay card. Right. Other only they have mentioned, only with these three debit card you can pay this 1200 or 600 fees. Right. And important dates: starting date for apply online 21/2/2022, last date to apply online 18/5, it is 5. Right. 18/5, 5 means what? May. Right. And download admit card download, it will be in June 6/6, and next 2020 examination will be on 18/6, that is June only. Announcement of result, that too will be announced in website at 5/6, it should not be 6 I guess. Right. 5/6/2022. Admit card date of next examination 18/6, it should be wrong, this is the wrong thing. So in detail, if you want to know about this NEST and this, you should go through this website. So website link and everything I will put it in the description box. You can follow that, or you can follow my Telegram channel, there you will get the this one syllabus and everything. Right. So here are the how to apply everything, you will get it. So these links I will put it in the description box. Right. So this is the what about brochure, which is 5 years integrated MSc program 2022-27. You will end your master degree in the year 2027. Right. So Bhubaneswar is conducting. Right. So what are the things you can read here? See what is NEST introduction, will get to know. Integrated MSc program, about integrated eligibility and admission program, will get to know. Reservation and of seats, examination center, you are writing online exam, right, where you will get everything, you will get it in this brochure. How to apply, address for the current important dates, right, page number 9, important things. Right. Everything. Next for NEET NEST 2022 syllabus, you can see there. Right. Let us see, directly go to the page number 9, so that we can see important dates, important things to remember. Page number 9 means where July, sorry, not June, it's July 5/2022. Announcement of result will be in the month July 5/2022. Right. So these are the important dates. You can make a screenshot if you are interested very much in this and about these reservations, everything they have mentioned here. So you can go through this. And about the syllabus in the page number 13, right? Yes, syllabus for next 2022. So biology, you have to read all these things. Right. Chemistry, all these things. Right. All the 11th 12th syllabus only, they won't ask much more. Right. So this is about chemistry. Right. Mathematics. Right. Just I am making it fast so that I'll give the links there, you can concentrate on all these things, right? And these are the website, next exam, right? Everything you will get the links in the description box of this video. In this video, the description box, you will get the Telegram channel. From there you will get all the links of these things, right? So thank you.